Hello orchid growers. Hi, I'm behind the camera. Just a quick one. It will be, well, 5-10 minutes hopefully, unless I ramble on too much. I thought, for a change, I need to catch up with my orchid stuff, so I'm just going to do a quick potting demo. I've got these Cattleya, Schrilleriana, that I actually got a flask from the Orchid Seed Project. 18th of August 2015. Wow, fancy being August. Isn't that a coincidence? I'm doing this now 3 years later. Okay, so they were out of flask 3 years ago. Here they are. So I thought I'd do a quick demonstration on what I'm doing. I'm just going to crack on and do what I do. This is small bark that we sell at orchidsupplies.co.uk. This is the mix that I chose to use. It's probably breaking down a bit now because it's been in there 3 years, but I thought because of the leaves are getting a nice size now, it's almost getting like what we call, let's say, true leaves. So it's got a really good spurt of growth. So I'm keen to get these potted on now into a fresh mix, ready, get another couple of months of growth out of them, hopefully get a few roots out of them. The roots not looking good actually at the minute, looking at it. I'm just going to use for this, because I've got this ready, excuse my fogger, this is just my Mazzy mix. It's just a mixture of small bark, large perlite or sponge rock or whatever you can get, and just some shredded moss, and then just some foam, but you ain't got enough foam, so it's just a small mix because these roots will be quite delicate still, they'll be quite fine rooted. So I've got a selection of pots, don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. 5 centimeters, 3 inch I think they are, and then some 9 centimeters, so I'll see. So I'm just going to be quiet now, and well, there's no chance I can be quiet, is there? That's what I've got. So all I would do is grab this and just tease it out. Okay, and then just give it a shake. Actually, those roots are pretty good actually, and actually I've got nothing to do there really. I don't pre-soak or anything like that. They've had a watering a few days ago. Wow, how healthy is that? I'm impressed with myself. So that's that one out. I don't soak in a bleach solution and all this stuff. You know, it's quite embarrassing really. It's probably why I don't do many of these. I take it for granted of what I do and how easy I think it is, and a lot of people are daunted by this type of stuff. So choosing a pot, do you go for a short stubby one? Yeah, potentially. Or do you go for a longer one? Or would you cram them in there? I'm torn. I'm not going to cram them in there. Many would, but see them bent, the roots are bending. I'm not saying I over pot, but I'm not one for cramming roots in. I want these roots to grow. It's always good to have a selection of pots. If you ever order, get a selection, they're not that expensive. I think I'll go for that one. Okay, and then you just get your mix. I don't pre-soak my mix because it just goes all over your hands, dust everywhere, and you know, it just seems to be messy. So put them in. Sometimes go a little bit deeper with these. So these are the older growths, and there's the new one. So you want this in the centre really. So if that can be overhanging there and that in the centre, I would say we're on the right path there. So I'll just put that a little bit deeper. There's nothing special, guys, just lob them in. That's it. Seriously. It's embarrassing, isn't it? Job done. Now what I probably would do there, sometimes I have all sorts hanging around the greenhouse. I just use things like this, and what I would do there is just, you know, give it some help just to get started. There you go. So it's just wedged under there now, and obviously you'd have a label. Get a new label, date it when you potted it on, and then all I would do with that is give it a good soak. Put it in a shaded position in the greenhouse, because you don't want the sun beating on it, and it's, you know, just keep it nice and steady like it is now. Give it a good soaking in, and then be very careful with your watering for a few weeks until new roots emerge. And that is it. How good does that look? Beautiful. Excuse these, I've only put them there for a bit of colour, just to brighten up a little bit. Nice quick video there to repot a Schrilleriana. That could be mounted on a piece of bark very easily, just a bed of moss on your bark mount. Put that on, just some wire, coated wire. Moisten it up, keep it moist, and you can have it mounted. But mounted plants take more care because they dry out quicker. So I will review that. I will come to that in a few months' time, see how it goes. Hopefully it's still alive. All these products are available on my website. If you want any help or guidance, please put a comment in. All good. Have a good day. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Join my groups, got plenty of them. Good day. Bye.